How to fix photo mode option missing on TikTok. Hello world, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix the problem where the photo mode option is missing on your TikTok. I will show you two different solutions to this problem. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end so you don't make any mistakes. The first solution is open the App Store if you are on iPhone, or open Google Play Store if you are on Android device, and we have to check if you have the latest version of TikTok application installed on your device or not. If you see here update button, then do click on it. And after the app is updated, you want to open TikTok and check if the problem is fixed. But if you are still missing photo mode option, then let's go for our second solution. The second solution for this problem is to open the TikTok app and then go over to your profile. After that, we will tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. And when you get to this setting page, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find this Report a Problem option and click on it. After that, TikTok will open another page where we will have an option to contact the TikTok support team, because we will need them in order to fix our issue. So now, what you have to do is expand this account and profile option by clicking on it. Then tap on Addition Profile and we will get a couple of options on this page. But we don't need any of these. So click on this Other button at the bottom of the screen. It's gonna give you some information, but scroll all the way down and tap on Need More Help. And that's gonna open a little text box where we will explain what the issue is to the TikTok team. You can write a message just like I am writing here, explaining that the photo mode option is missing on your TikTok. Kindly ask them to resolve the issue as soon as possible. After you complete writing the message, click on Submit button and you are done. Just wait for 1 or 2 days and they will respond to you. They are pretty good at responding, and they will enable the photo mode option on your TikTok account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you also wish to do something for me, then please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back with another problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.